Hello, this is Seth from Mindforge Technologies, and we just finished making cinnamon wheat flour chocolate chip cookies.
Delicious.
So it's time for a detailed tutorial on how to use our computer builder page. So first you're going to want to click on detailed tutorial so that you can watch this video. And then once you've done that, then you can go ahead and start customizing your computer. So first we have the core components. These are the parts that go into the case of your computer, with the exception of the case, because that is the case. So you can't put it into the case. So you can go ahead and grab the slider or brain here, and as you move it to the right, the part cost increases, but you also gain a bit of performance. For the case, it's a bit more cooling, and in some cases a little more space and things like that. So if you want to know more about each part, you can mouse over the "What is this?" button, and it'll tell you exactly what that thing does. Each part has a nice description here that changes as you change the part. We also have an image for you so you can see what it looks like. And if you want to know more, you can click on the More Details page. If you're more into the technical specs, you can see them there. So you also notice as you move it, the part cost updates, and so does the total computer price. So every time you change a part, you can see exactly what the price of your computer is going to be. So this is power supply that brings juice into your computer, motherboard, and I'll just kind of go down the list here real quickly and drag these through. So we'll put a Core 2 Duo processor, a nice mid-range video card, moderate amount of RAM, etc., etc. So we have built a complete computer up here in terms of hardware. Everything is there. You might notice that there are some parts you can leave out. For instance, you could put no video card. You can also do that with RAM, hard drive, etc. You'll find that out as you go. Now, if you leave out a part, you'll notice that the operating system slider brain vanishes. If you leave out a core component of the computer, we can't install an operating system on it. So you have to make sure that you build a full computer so that we can put an operating system on it. So if you remove a part again, then your operating system disappears. And same thing goes with warranty. If you do not build a full computer, you can't get a warranty. So if you move it here, you can check the box, but as soon as you remove that part, the box becomes unchecked. The warranty is a 3-year warranty that's based on the price of the core components of your computer, and if you have the warranty, then for the next 3 years, you can have random strangers come to your house and fix your computer for you, which is great. As long as you don't open up the case and start modifying things or overclocking stuff, your warranty will remain. So as we go down the list, we have peripheral components now. These are extra things that aren't necessary for the functionality of the computer per se. You can get a keyboard, mouse, monitor, etc. We don't really require you to purchase these at all because we assume that you can probably get them anywhere, and we don't really believe in bundling things here. So you can do whatever you like here. If you've got these components already on your current computer, you can just uncheck those and just leave them. So as you go down, you can see the total unit cost here, which should be reflected by what you saw on your parts. You can also change the quantity, so if you want to buy a couple of the same computer that you just built, you can add that quantity in there, and the total cost will update right there. And before you can add this to cart, you notice I click add to cart, nothing happens. That's because I haven't read the terms of sale, and as a good, responsible consumer, I'm about to read the terms of sale.
That's right.
So normally you would click on terms of sale and it would take you right to our terms of sale. Read it, click yes, and then add to cart. And now it goes. So this is just the basic computer that we built. Notice there's no operating system, no warranty included in here because I didn't check those boxes. But it gives you a breakdown of what you have. So there's 2 of everything. Gives you your subtotal. And we also include our labor right there for computer assembly right up front so you can see how much that is. And if you want, you can also check shipping rates by putting in your zip code here. And if you have a coupon, you can put it in. If you feel like you messed up a part or you want to change something, or you don't like what your end results are, you can just click the Start Over button, or you can click Build Your PC, and it will take you right back to the computer builder page, and it will reset everything in your shopping cart back to 0 and clear it out for you so that you can start over. And that's really all there is to it. So get customizing.